Before the blue had oceans, before the ground had borders, I learned to keep a record without ink, breath, or witnesses. Born in the inner disk where the oxygen ran thin, solar nebula furnace with reduction locked in, fugacity below what a surface world could stand, primitive chemistry crystallized a contraband, MgSiO3 built in Enstatite frame, almost VO free, yet the metal still came, silicone bearing camosite, silver in the grain, Troilite drew circuitry through a sulfur vein, oh the might held calcium where no oxide could survive, ferronalaband kept the manganese alive, Stony cut fast aside to N2O, graphite wrote a black script only vacuum gets to know, low iron L branch not an E8 twin, chondrules once distinct then the furnace folded in, type 6 equilibration made the boundaries retreat, recrystallized memory under metamorphic heat, I was never merely rubble drifting nameless through the night, I was pressure made legible, mineral law made light, every phase was testimony, every lattice took a scar, a courtroom made a crystal cross examining a star, then two ancient bodies met without a warning sign, hypervelocity grammar broke the parent rock's design, no mouth made the statement, no pen supplied the facts, the collision signed its verdict in impact, no class, I came down carrying fire that the atmosphere could not erase, a reduced world archive with a fusion darkened face, October 21st, 1901 split the noon, thunder crossed the cloud deck like a baseline out of tune, 14 kilograms brought in asteroids past the ground, Finland caught the evidence when the sky became the sound, fragmental breccia, every shard a different page, lithified by violence, then I kneel beneath an age, 5 plus or minus 2%, dark classed in the frame, 1 at 2.5 centimeters, frozen impact, flame shock, melt, cooled, rapidly opaque against the host, a microcosmic crime scene, where the hottest moments ghost, present label reading S2, deceptively serene, older force lies buried in the recrystallized scene, Usual Enstatite grew with edges clean and strict, Stony from the furnace made the nitrogen convict, regolith the insulation held the damaged stone below, burial muted fractures while the thermal currents flowed, Chondrite outlines faded, elemental ratio state, patrologic type 6 from the overprint displayed, I survived by changing shape, that is deeper than defense, a rat can lose its edges without losing evidence, punchline pressure tried to end me, only edited the draft, heat attempted censorship, I mineralized the aftermath, broken welded buried later, launched beyond the crust, I turned catastrophic impact into data you can trust, eject to clear the gravity, cosmic rays began the count, cold orbit kept no calendar, only exposure could amount, then entry drew a plasma sheet, ablation shaved the skin, velocity paid its atmosphere before the stone could enter in, bright flight became dark flight, drag pulled the trajectory low, clouds heard the sonic signature before the field could know, now the newborn thunder sits beneath analytical light, a 14-kilo witness from an oxygen poor night, fusion crust outside, ancient architecture within, comosite beside sulfide, silent testimony pinned, I am Hvittis, not a legend but a lithic narrative, brachiated, equilibrated, scientifically declarative, the sky did not drop an ending, it delivered missing parts, apparent bodies, broken history, compressed inside the dark.